Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be going over the different features that I've recently put in the cloning feature when you're creating your roster. So basically, in order to create your roster, you go over to the menu where it says rosters and you click on current. And we'll just say that we want to clone Success Seminar 9B. So we go ahead and click on the magnifying window. There's no students that are currently attached to the roster. So what I want to do is I want to clone a roster. And what that enables me to do is I have two options. I can either choose the students only option, which sort of mimics the old cloning feature where it didn't take into account the Zoom links or the period assignment, or I can look for students with period assignments. So let me go ahead and choose that one. And then what I've done is I've added this column called similarity. And what I'm doing is I'm doing a algorithmic match of 80% or greater. And if there is a match, I'll highlight that respective course in green. And so we see it's a 94.44444. Basically, this function uses a float. Anyway, I see that this Success Seminar 9A is pretty close. And that's actually my first semester success seminar. That's the one I want to clone. So I just go ahead and hit next. And what that will do is it will bring in all of the students enumerated in period order. So it'd be first through seventh period, and then by last name. And so what that will enable you to do pretty easily is just verify on pathways. Kind of having pathways on one side of the screen, this on the other side of the screen, and you can kind of go down your rosters pretty easily, through the various periods, and just ensure that all the students are there. Or if you need to uncheck some, you can do that as well. But what this will do is this will do a batch import of all the students. It will attach their periods and it will attach their respective Zoom links. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then we can see that all the students are attached to the periods and they have all the Zoom links set. So it's kind of a real easy way to, if you had a previous A course, to enable you to clone everything pretty seamlessly into the B course, assuming that that roster has a high degree of similarity um, with the one you're cloning it to. And then let's go back. So you may see some situations like, let's take this Great Books, for instance, and the clone roster, and let's just do the old way. And we see that everything is NA, so there is no, I had no Great Books A course. I mean, it's only a one semester course, so I didn't do that in the previous semester. So basically, in this situation, you wouldn't use the cloning feature. You would actually go back and, like you would have to add that roster by the master Apex list. And, it's just by selecting and then hitting next. So anyway, hopefully that is helpful to you guys. You can thank Mr. Coleman for that feature. He's the one that advised or recommended or forced, or I don't know how you want to say it, um, the one that asked me to put that in there. And it was pretty painful. But in any event, you have it. Hopefully it works well for you guys. And for creating your rosters, if you have any questions, just let me know.